Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is one that I've never done before, and it is a Walmart beauty box unboxing. Now, I've already opened it, saw what was inside of it. Haven't used anything in it. And I have really mixed emotions on this. However, I did have like credits at Walmart, rewards, whatever, so this didn't cost me anything technically. So, and it was, I think, $9.98 for this box, and I'd seen several unboxings online, so I kind of knew what I was going to be getting, but that's not what I got. So let's go over it and hear my thoughts. It comes, in a really pretty blue box and with the Walmart paper, and it's marked Beauty Box Summer 2023 Summer version 1 87065.1. I don't know if that means anything, but it's there. So I opened my box expecting to see the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Didn't see it, but I got, and it does come with a card that lets you know the prices. So, the Summer Lovin' Walmart Beauty Box. So, this is actually a Bolden Dark Spot Fix. Improves the look of dark spots and discolorations. 1 fluid ounce. And on the pamphlet, it gives you an idea of what you could get. So, and I see the butter bronzer up there. It is what it is. This says a full size, which is 1 ounce, retails for $18.98. Get your glow on with state-of-the-art ingredients to visibly improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I do have hyperpigmentation and I do have dark spots. So, while it's no butter bronzer, I am excited to try this. This is actually the first time I've opened the actual box. So, this is not what I was expecting. It comes in a tube with a pump. Let's see what the consistency is on this. Oh, okay. It's a cream almost. Doesn't have a scent, thank goodness, but it does give a glow. So we'll leave that up there. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay. And then we got the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy glosses. This one is in the shade, gosh, I cannot read it. It's so light. Even with glasses on, y'all, I still can't read it. But maybe it'll show up. It's this, and I have 2 other of these. I was trying to peek to see if I had them where I could grab them, but I know one of them is I See You Later, and the other one is But First a Cosmo. And I do really, really love these. And they do range. Walmart has them for $7.98. So this is the another full-size product. And I really have nothing bad to say at all about these. The doe foot is super fat, nice, and it does what it says it's going to do. So I was excited to see this. You know, this is Walmart $7.98. I saw it at CVS last night, and it was $12.98 at my CVS. So this one has a little bit of a coconutty flavor, which is really on par with the rest of my makeup. So we've got that. And then I received the Salon Perfect Mani to Go reusable nail set. And that is what that looks like. This retails for $4.94 for 30 nails. And this, yep, this is 30 nails. I do love that color, but these are not going to fit me in any shape, form, or fashion. I can look at these and tell. So these will be going in a future giveaway. And then I received the Hask Argan Oil from Morocco, a 5-in-1 leave-in spray, conditions and detangles. This is 1.75 U.S. fluid ounces. The full size is 6 ounces, and the full size is $7.27. So this is, you know, less than, I don't know, I mean, $2. However, I'm not mad. I've tried this brand before. I do enjoy the brand. And honestly, I have a lot of spray-in. It does not have a coconutty scent, like, or an argan scent. It smells very clean, but it doesn't take much. So I'm not upset with this size. I would be upset if it was, you know, like that size, considering you can get a full big old bottle for $7. Anyway, so we got that. And the last thing that I received really kind of got away with me because it is so random, along with the nails. And this is the Kiss Colors and Care Pink Pearl Glitter Bonnet in extra large. Full size, $3.97. Kiss dryness, friction, and split ends goodbye with this sleek bonnet. Crafted from dual-layered hyperallergenic fabric to defend against hair stressors. So, I got myself a pink glitter bonnet in extra large. So, I am going to pull this out of the package. This was so random, and I will be honest with you guys. I do have several bonnets. None, oh wow, none like this actually. Okay, I'm really okay with this. The ones I have are really, they're not bonnets like this. They're more of a shower cap, and I use them a lot when I color my hair. After I color and you're letting the color sit on it, I'll put that shower cap on, to kind of keep hair dye from falling everywhere. And, I can just throw it in the sink, rinse it out, because it's plastic on the inside. This is not. This is the inside of it. And this is the outside. So, this actually, I think, will come in handy, y'all. Especially doing face masks or skincare, all of that. So, as random as I thought that this is actually, I'm kind of excited about it. So, everything that I received in this box was full size, with the exception of the leave-in spray, which if I hadn't have known that this was not full size, I would have just thought this was, you know, how it came. I have some leave-in spray that is this size, that is full size. So we got that. We got the bonnet. We got the nails. We got the dark spot fix. And we got the Yummy gloss. So all in all, I'm satisfied with this box. When I went into this, I was more negative because I thought, okay, I didn't want another serum because I thought this was going to be like an oil serum. And then, you know, I was like, I'm not going to use these nails. I'm not going to use this extra large bonnet, thinking that it was going to be not what it is. So it's like, the only real thing that I'm probably really going to use is the gloss. Because, you know, it's like, I got a bunch of hair products. You know, did I waste my little $10 credit on stuff that... So I was very, very, had the negative mindset when I went into this. So I'm glad that, you know, my mind was changed just like that. Just, you know, by not judging a book by its cover. How about that? So the one thing that I will not use are the little nails, you know. So, you know, if Abby will end up with them if they're a little press on and not glue, or I may put them in a giveaway. So anyway, that is my Walmart summer beauty box. I don't think that I'm going to sign up to receive this. I think this is a quarterly box, but I'm very satisfied now with what I got. So thank you guys for sticking with me and watching this video go from one extreme to the next. Okay, guys, as I always say, be beautiful, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.